Hello and welcome to POCast.com. This section is about learning the terms like API, REST and REST API. This course is about learning the new trends and new emerging APIs in the market. We have seen web services and SOAP, and now the trend is REST API. Well, REST and API are two different things. If you are pretty new to this term and might be hearing for the first time in this course, then do not worry. I will make them very easy for you to understand by covering from basics, and I will touch base all the important points. In this section, I'll help you understand what is API, how it is different from web service. Then we'll look at REST definitions and how it came into existence and what is the purpose of it. Then I'll try to combine some terms together to understand how JSON is used in REST API and how it is used as a data interchange format. Finally, I'll show how tokens are used to access the REST API. Also, I'll show some API management tools that you can find in the market. Okay, so let's start the session by understanding what is API.